Good morning, students. Welcome to 5th Standard Social Science class.
Nature is wide, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free.
Dear children, life is nothing but a journey with lessons, hardships, and special moments. The road will not always be a plain. In fact, throughout our travels, we will face many challenges. These challenges will always test our courage, strengths, weakness, and faith. In order to be on the right path, we must overcome these obstacles. Dear children, today we are going to learn about the continuation of Lesson 1 Ancient Excavation. Come, children, let us learn. Dear children, what is excavation? Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. Who is an archaeologist? Archaeologists study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze artifacts. Pyramids of Egypt and Great Bath of Indus civilization are excavational sites in the world. Adichanallur, Keeladi, and Arikamedu are important excavational sites in Tamil Nadu. The next archaeological site is Arikamedu. Arikamedu is an archaeological site in southern India. 2000 years ago, when tourists and day trippers were not roaming the beaches near Puducherry, the sand stretches were buzzing with activity of a different kind. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Puducherry. We have come to know through excavations that the coastal village Arikamedu had a trade relationship with Rome. An archaeologist found Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, cutlery, crockery, and wine containers, etc. there. Dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Ariyalur district. Today, Arikamedu is considered to be one of the most crucial early historical archaeological sites in South India. Also found at Arikamedu were large quantities of finished and unfinished shells, beads, and pottery, which clearly indicated the existence of indigenous craft traditions before the arrival of the Romans. The structure was built mainly with new bricks, but some of the old large bricks too were used. Now we will see Keeladi Archaeological Site. Keeladi is a village near the village of Sulaiman on the border between Madurai and Sivagangai districts in Tamil Nadu. The Keeladi excavation site is located in this area. Excavations carried out by the Archaeological Survey of India. The Archaeological Survey of India ASI excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village at Thirupuvanam Taluk. Excavations have produced evidences for brick buildings and well laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmi inscripted pottery, beads of glass, cornelian. Cornelian means a red or brownish stone used in jewelry. Quartz, pearl, gold ornaments, iron objects, shell bangles, and ivory dies have been unearthed. The Roman artifacts found at the site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relations. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? A recap of what we have learnt in this class. Arikamedu. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Puducherry. We have to come know through excavations that the coastal village Arikamedu have trade relation with Rome. An archaeologist found Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, cutlery and crockery, wine containers, etc. there. Keeladi. The Archaeological Survey of India excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village at Thirupavanam Taluk. Excavation have produced evidences for brick buildings and well laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmi inscripted pottery, beads of glass, cornelian, quartz, pearl, gold ornaments, iron objects, shell bangles and ivory dies have been unearthed. The Roman artifacts found at the site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relations. Okay students, I hope you have understood lesson 1 ancient excavation. Thank you.